Hello and welcome to our today's session. We had done previously that we have done the analysis, but our results were not as suitable and uh, as per our requirement. So we check our inputs in the model. So in this model, we just revisit our inputs by checking whether they have some problem or not, because we are doing the dynamic analysis and static analysis. For that purpose, I revisited. I have just unlocked my model here from this point, and just you need to click uncheck your model, and you need to visit your all previous applications. So I just go to the mass source. Let me check, because mass source will be the comment that it will affect all your applications. So we already changed our these points. uh, Self weight, I just need to just unlock my model from this point. Okay, I just unlock this one, and I will go and define again from my mass source and modify mass source. So our mass source application will be wall load. I just already added one. Then we have superimpose dead load as okay one. Just I add dead load here. I just this weight self mass element, I need to uncheck this one. Okay, include lateral mass, okay, just okay and okay. Other applications we have done with the load pattern and load cases and load combinations. So I just again just check this display analysis, check model, and here you know need to apply select all models where assignments framework is okay with me, and I will no warning sign. I will just run analysis, and I will wait for the results. Just click OK. So we have done with the analysis. So from this analysis, I just show you the elevation from the elevation at grid 1. So it will show us the this elevation. This is a default by dead load. Just I need to display from this deform shape. So in this deform shape, we have mode and dead loads. Actually, I don't have this load combo, so let me check this load combo previously whether these load combo are applicable or not. So there is no load combo, just 8 no, just concrete frame, uncheck others. Okay, so we have 14 load combinations. Then we need to display again here. Now we have the load combo, and we can check on this load combo. So our basic requirement from here is to, now we will go for the frame structure, because we are focusing on concrete frame structure. So we can set our preferences, codes, and these all inputs are from the codes. So you can study the literature, and from the literature and codes you can apply this one. Just click OK. And again concrete frame structures, select load combination. So these all group, no need to check this one, because we already load combinations, all load combination are applied. Then we have the last option to start design and check design. On this window we have just control yes. Okay. We have done with the results of the design. Just elevation. Just click here. So there are we have these all reinforcement and already our custom sections are beam and column. So just click here. By clicking here, we can check our design by detailing overview here. So we have come with these justification back calculations, and if we have some problems, so there will be the overstress, but our all design have passed in this case. Now we need to check in our base reactions from the table. So let's check this table. This is our analyzing and designing part. So here we display tables, design data, design analysis result, structure joint outputs, predictions. Show table, base reaction. Here we have all our load combinations and outputs. So these outputs are including with the dynamic loads and static loads. So let's do with the I'll just delete all these load combinations. I just click OK, and now I want to check my results. Display show table. But in this case I have just EX and EY, but during my run analysis I don't have these dynamic EQX. So let me check before this analysis. Check analysis criteria options automatic. I need to run also. could not run. So let me uncheck this one. Status UKX. Now you need to run all these directions. Before design, we will just run all these cases. Actually, this thing is for your learning. Go back and forth for learning new tasks and new commands. So it will help. Okay, so display, show table. Just click OK. After application of the after application After application of the mass source from this point that we have include lateral mass and lump lateral mass at story level, and we exclude this element and just click here OK. Then we have run the analysis and we got this result after running the analysis. So after showing these tables, we want to check these joint directions from base direction. So on this base direction, we just check the results on this table. So here is our two linear dynamic analysis at these 2 points. So this is EQX and it's the major portion at EQY. And we get these, uh, you know, these factors, so almost these two factors by dividing uh, that are static versus dynamic analysis, we get some factors. So then we want to multiply that factor in this after unlocking the model. So let's do. First we need to find out this the static to the dynamic factor. So let's find the dynamic to static factor. So from this calculator we just check, we find two factors later. 7,749 divided by 114 equal to 6.9. We got this 6.9 or 7. So this factor, okay, so done. So just unlock this model and define load cases, spectrum modify load case by multiplying. This will be our dynamic to static. So dynamic to static, actually dynamic to static to dynamic, we just click here divided by, we will divide 6.7 and just copy and paste, copy, paste. Okay, and the same procedure, just copy paste. Okay, run analysis. Mostly this software is very friendly to understand your backward calculation and forward calculations. It mostly depend on your application and knowledge of the software. So let's check. Done. Okay, display table. Okay, here you can see that this linear and static is almost same. Now almost our static and dynamic analysis are approaching each other. So my all these columns and just all my frames, all columns I need to change. Here I need to change all columns. Okay, so I just apply, because all my four columns are just four columns. These four columns I need to select, but let me all story. Here columns, beam, floors, joint, floor, joint visible. Okay, okay, just click here. Okay, so deselect or clear your selection and make sure your selection by clicking this one. Now you have selected and I need to just assign this selection after application of properties. Just I will select C4, apply. Okay. After C4 application, I will go again and uncheck my all reset to default, apply, close. And now I have applied the revised column size. I will run analysis and I will check my design here that whether it's overstress or not. So let me check our design from check design. So let's check the design whether it is overstress or not. So this is applied on this window, so we will check on this window.